Your organization's cybersecurity is like a building. There's a lot that goes into keeping things structurally sound. This also means there are a lot of potential vulnerabilities and work for typical testers and scanners. Even small weak points could topple the entire building. After all, you built your organization on a bedrock of trust to protect your customers, users, and employees. But with so many moving parts and pressure to move faster, you need a better way to find security problems before it's too late. That's where Synack comes in. Regular scanners and pen testing often miss vulnerabilities, but Synack's crowdsourced security testing platform uses both human and artificial intelligence to find and help fix those vulnerabilities. Breaches occur every day, but Synack can find and fix vulnerabilities before breaches happen. To learn more, visit Synack.com.